Nicotinia glauca, commonly known as the tobacco tree, is a plant belonging to the Solanaceae family. It is native to South America and has been introduced worldwide, and it grows as a small tree, as you can see here. The plant is recognizable by its lens-shaped leaves. They are bluish green, and when they're crushed they have a very pungent odor. The plant produces tubular flowers. They are yellow in color and round fruits that have numerous seeds, and it grows in warm arid climates such as here in Valencia.
Nicotine is a potent neurotoxin that acts primarily on the nicotinic acetylcholine receptors in the central nervous system and in the neuromuscular junctions. Other compounds like alkaloids such as anabazine or nornicotine contribute to its toxicity of Nicotinia glauca, although it's not lesser extent.
The toxicity of this plant will affect several systems such as the cardiovascular system, the neurological system, or the gastrointestinal tract. And after exposure or ingestion, the animal will experience several adverse effects.
Starting with the neurological effects, nicotine exerts this toxic effect by mimicking the action of acetylcholine. Overstimulation of acetylcholine receptors may lead to a cascade of neurological effects, such as seizures, tremors, twitching, hyperactivity, and ultimately respiratory paralysis. Of course, nicotine is going to have a stronger effect on animals with high sensitivity, like small mammals and birds.
Nicotine also has a very strong effect on the cardiovascular system and will produce elevated heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and vasoconstriction. Ingestion of the plant can lead to arrhythmia, tachycardia, and myocardial damage. In severe cases, it will lead to cardiovascular collapse and cardiac arrest.
Going on the last tract that is going to be affected, the GI tract. So basically this plant is going to cause irritation and inflammation on the mucosa of the gastrointestinal wall and leads to symptoms as nausea, drooling, vomiting, abdominal pain and diarrhea.
Nicotinia glauca poses a serious risk of toxicity due to the presence of nicotine and other alkaloids in its foliage. It is very important to understand and recognize its physiological effect to treat and manage the cases of poisoning in wild animals and in pets. Pet owners, livestock producers, and wildlife managers should be aware of the potential hazard that is this plant and reduce the contact or ingestion with the plant. Early recognition and treatment with veterinary assistant is very important for managing the symptoms and reduce the morbidity and mortality of the poisoning with this plant.